Little threshold piece will fix that out. So going back out from the 2 hidden rooms, through the storage hallway, back to the basement foyer. And there's another room. Got a few unfinished things, but that's just a matter of putting up the finishing touches. And a fireplace. Wow. That's nice. Could open up a bed and breakfast in this house. This is a big one. Big, big, big. It's nice and cool down here. It was nice and cool upstairs too. It's a big room. They're all big rooms. Storage under the stairs. And this must be the garage. Wow. Alright, let me find some lights.